job, Kayleon. All right. You hanging it right there? Yes, you can. I know. Leave that one alone. You already placed that one up. Go ahead and put this one up. You put that one up as well. Here, look. Put one up here. Uh-huh. Right up here on this one. Maybe right here. How about up here? Put it right there for me. Hi. All right. Good job, man. Hey, how you doing? She loved these kind of things. Good morning, good morning. I look a mess, so excuse me. But this morning, it is rainy and cloudy and dreary, and I had to pick up a few things. So I said, let me go ahead and run to the store really quick this morning, pick up a few things so I can just be in the house today, because I do not feel like doing anything when it's rainy. Plus, I'm tired. It's the weekend. I am ready for the weekend, just to relax. I was going to clean up my house and but I decided I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything today. I'm going to relax. Last weekend was, we really did a lot the last few weekends. So we're going to chill out this weekend and not do a daggone thing. So, yeah, I'm headed home now. Camera on real quick because, Vlogmas, I had to remember. Okay, it's Vlogmas. I need to be doing this. I need to be vlogging, you know what I mean? So, anyway, let me get ready to head home. And so, I'll see you when I get home. We had the Decor the couch because she tried to get all up on you. She's so lovable. She just want to be right up under you. Hey, Sagey Wagey. Look at her. I bought her another little toy. You guys saw me buy that toy. She loves these little toys. Here's one of the duck heads right there. Hey there, Sagey. Ray, this morning, got all his little stuff out. Look at you this morning.
I comb my hair yet.
He didn't want me to show it because he didn't comb his hair. So it's natural. It's okay. But he's washing the dishes to get ready to fix the waffles. The waffles, his famous waffles. They are so good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fix some corned beef hash this morning. We're gonna get ready to eat. Yeah, we look a mess, but I'm gonna get ready to fix the corned beef hash. I told you, this is real vlogging, honey. Real vlogging. I'm gonna fix some corned beef hash and some eggs, and he's gonna fix some waffles, and we're brewing some coffee over there. And yeah, get ready to have a late brunch because it is now 11:50. I think the clock stopped. We need to put another battery up there because it's saying 11 something. But it is like 11:50, like almost 12 o'clock. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fix breakfast. That's what we're doing, girl. Oh no, we just fix breakfast. But I found these super cute little coffee mugs. Aren't they adorable? I found them in our grocery store, so I said, let me go ahead and pick these up. They are so cute. I bought 2 of them. I saw some Christmas trees. I'm gonna try to go back in there when Christmas is over or around Christmas because I know they're gonna be like $2 and $3. They had some Christmas trees, but I got the, what is it, the snowman. So yeah. Anyway, let me go ahead and fix this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put some I have smoked salmon and regular salmon. I'm just putting it in here because I think I want me a smoked salmon salad today. So I'm just fixing the 2 salmons to go ahead and put that in the oven now so I can have it later, season it all up. I bought it from my local farmer's market. So yeah, I love smoked salmon. What are you doing? He's trying not to show us his little secretness. I do his hair today. I'm gonna go ahead and do his refresh his washing. You might need to do it all over, like everything, and refresh it. So, but anyhow, let's go ahead and fry these eggs. I already washed my hands, and so we can fry my eggs and get the corned beef hash out and all that good stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. The waffles gonna be ready in no time, so I need to go ahead and get it started. All right, so breakfast is done. Of course, this is raised with the full waffle. This is his with the full waffle. Mama's and mine, and I have my coffee, my black coffee as usual. Come in, hidden on my window. Anyway, let me go ahead and bring up this food. Come here, say. Look at her. Take this food on up to Mama. Mom's food up. She was so excited. She didn't want to be on camera today, but she said, I'm gonna be on it, I'm gonna be on it. We're gonna get ready to sit down and eat our brunch this morning. We was gonna go out to breakfast, but then we changed our mind. So anyway, it's all rainy, cloudy, and it's hot today. It's so amazing that today it's like 67 degrees, almost 70 degrees outside. I had my coat on, my little jacket. Went out here, I'm like, what in the world? All rainy, cloudy, and okay, I just received my package. Oh, look at my head. I'm gonna do it today. May do it on camera, who knows? I purchased a Dyson Vacuum. I've been wanting one. I found it on sale, honey. So you know, they cost like almost $500, maybe $600. I got it on sale for like $200. Well, $299. Still a good sale. Or $259, something like that. But still a good sale. Cyber Monday. I'm like, ooh, thank you. I've been wanting one of these. Oh my goodness. Make sure it's my package. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this out. Let's see. Go ahead and take this out. Ray's upstairs putting Mama's cabinet together, her little thing that she ordered. He told us, please stop ordering stuff. Oh my goodness. My vacuum. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm super excited. And you know how it is. Like a kid in a Christmas store. Ray's like, okay, what? Like, this is important. I need this. I've been waiting until it went on sale. So, you know, I am super excited. So let's see. Put it on this chair. And you see, I put the ends of my rug up because Sagey, she's always walking and always around doing something. Here she is now, trying to smell the box. Look at her. But, yeah, let me open this. I am so excited. I wasn't going to do nothing today. But now since I got this, it makes me want to clean up stuff. been waiting. So yeah. I'm gonna have Ray help me put where I can put this together. Ooh. It's already ready. See that? All right. It's ready. Move, Sagey. Okay. Sagey. Hey, you want to smell? Yeah, smell it. I'm not gonna do nothing here. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and put it together. All the little pieces and gadgets and chargers and yeah. So yeah, I am super happy. Move, Sagey. I am super excited. We had to cut the air conditioner on, honey. It's hot. It's like 67 degrees outside. This is like pneumonia weather. I already told you guys that, but I still can't believe it. It's like December. Like, stop changing. Just, if it's going to be cold, be cold. You know? Okay. But yeah, it has a little charging station. It's super cute. Okay. So I may put it upstairs, have Ray put this upstairs. I could do it myself, but I may. He's doing mama's drawer right now. So anyway, I can put this in my laundry room so this can stay up there. All right. I am excited. I'm going to put this thing together in a few minutes. Let's see. Trying to find some instructions because, you know, I will put it together the way I see fit. And not the way it's supposed to. Let me go look for these instructions so I can do this right. I'll be right back. Let me figure out what the heck I am doing before I mess something up. Oh, no, that looks about right. All right. So I have this part right here. And okay, so I finally got it together. Let me show you. So here it is right here. If I can pull this back some. But anyway, I need the vacuum today anyway. But I started, of course, and I need to charge it, so it stopped. So there, I'm just looking to see how to put this charging system in or how to charge it. And then that's what I'm looking at now, trying to see, oh, I think I found it. So yeah, I'm gonna charge it, and I guess I can, while I'm charging, I can go ahead and get my table scape together. Go ahead and get that together so I can be finished. Today is the 2nd. Tomorrow is my son's birthday, DJ, the one that's married to Ebony. So yeah, he turns, I think, 31. Oh my goodness, can't believe I have a child that's 31. I need to go ahead and get this charging and then start on my table decorations, my Christmas table decorations. And then I'm going to do Ray's hair. I need to refresh it for him because he does not know. He tried to do it and it did not look right. So I'm going to go ahead and do it for him. I'm going to go ahead and do his, refresh his wash and go. I tried to twist, but the twist look all right in his hair, but the wash and go looks better. So that's what he likes, he said. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and get this stuff started and finish. And Ray is up here putting, Ray and Sagey, you know, these little boxes and stuff like this keeps her from going downstairs and stuff. You see the one that we have blocking the rest of the rooms down here? It's amazing. She gets scared, like she cannot get through here. Ray started doing her like this. But anyway, how's it going up here, Ray? Is it a lot?
I just gotta get it together.
All right, so. Okay, I found my white runner for my table, but I think it's overkill because my floor is white and I have the frosted tree, so I'm not gonna do that this year. I was thinking about it. I think I'm just going to use this, like just this, and then put some stuff on it, you know? So I think I'm gonna put this up and have this for another time. Okay, so I finally finished my tablescape, my Christmas table, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I took the white, you know, my white runner, and I put it over here near my little bar. I just did it this way. I think it looks better. It's too much of everything on the table with the rug and this and all of that, you know? So that's what I did. I think it looks pretty cute. And I'll show you guys everything all together later, like when everything is lit up. And how it looks so nice.